It's getting rough, y'all, right? You gotta stay in the race. You gotta fight. You gotta put on that breastplate of righteousness. You gotta look the enemy straight in the eye until he ain't got no choice but to back down. Get up off me, Satan. I rebuke you. I rebuke you in the name of Jesus. You have no place here. You don't have no place in my home, in my life, in my mind. I rebuke that. Keep on saying it until it's gone. Guys, the battle is not yours. It is the Lord's. Okay? So, guess what? That's all I got for y'all. I'll see you next time. The battle ain't yours. It's not yours. So stop it. Just put on that breastplate or give it some of these. All right? I'll see y'all. Bye. Everybody doing? So, yes, as you can tell, I'm getting ready to take part in my breakfast this morning. I'm gonna taste my cereal that I haven't had in a long time. Yeah, guys, that's This is so good. This is my first time trying the oat milk. Tastes pretty good. Somebody was saying this for overnight oats, but I'm not sure. But I said I would try it, and I really like it. I really like it. Just regular morning routine, guys. That's it. These oranges are so juicy. Oh, for all of you who are new, I have another channel, Simply Black Vegan. where I just went grocery shopping, so you guys can see all the latest things that I picked up. And I went to Aldi's the other day. Well, I think the day before yesterday, and I did go get me a bag of oranges, y'all, because we were running out of fruit. And I did go back and get the bags of frozen fruit for the smoothies. Y'all, these are navel oranges, and they're very juicy and sweet. So if you into juicing, go check them out. I think these were $3.49 a bag. And y'all see how many I got and put in that bowl. So guys, I just wanted to pop in. Excuse me. Say hello. Hope you guys' morning, day is going well. And I will probably see you guys in a couple of hours. So until then, please try to hold on. I'm trying to think. Today is Tuesday. Does Big Sky come on tonight or Blue Sky? I think it might. So I got to make sure I have everything intact and do everything I need to do so I can be sitting present at that moment and watch it and don't move, no distractions, no anything. So guys, I will see you guys once I finish having my breakfast. I'll probably see you guys later, okay? All right now. All right, y'all, we're going to get into this story time because I know that's what y'all here for and y'all want to hear. So anyway, yesterday, I got pulled over by the police. Yes, guys, the police, where this person here haven't been pulled over by the police in years, okay? I take offense to that. I don't like it. It's scary nowadays. And yeah, what I got pulled over for? I'm glad you asked. I believe I got pulled over because I was black. I'm just being honest. I might be a light black, but I'm black. So long story short, I'm driving, and this is over there where I go to the bins and stuff. I go there in the daytime, nighttime, so it don't matter about the day. Run past the police all the time. Never a problem. Your tint is dark. That's why we pulled you over. My tint is the color of my truck. It's blue, and you can see through it. Okay? So, like at night, like, why didn't y'all pull me over any other time when I drive through there all the time? And yes, it's a suburb or whatever, but y'all, I was livid. So, I have 2 driver's licenses. One of them have my maiden name on it. I don't use it. It's just in my wallet. And the other one is my original. So, when the guy pulled me over, y'all, I was so scared because I'm like, I seen him follow me. You know how you can tell when they're following you, how you can just feel it. I'm always right about my gut. I said, this cop about to pull me over. I put on my blinker. I'm going to pull over so we can get out of the street so none of us get hurt and hit by another car, okay? I'm trying to save your life even though you're trying to do something funny to me. And I really believe in my heart. And I said black because I'm going to tell y'all something. My logo on my car has the word black in it, okay? You can see it. My tag, license plate, has black in it, okay? You can see it, all right? So, enough of that. So, we're not gonna make this no race thing, but I ain't crazy. But anyway, he says, he tries to put the meter on my car. I said, do you want insurance? He said, no, I don't need to see that. Just give me that. So I was like, okay, I'm fidgeting into my thing. And I was like, can I take off my seatbelt? I'm asking him, can I take my hands off my seatbelt? Can I go into my purse? Can I do this? Can I do that? He had me roll all my windows down, y'all, even the ones in the passenger in the back of the back seat of the driver on both sides. And it's cold outside. It's like 9 degrees. Are you kidding me? And I gotta wait for you to come back. He couldn't find anything because she ain't got no record, y'all. She don't do nothing. I ain't got no speeding tickets, no nothing. I ain't bragging, but I'm just saying, it's good. Make sure your stuff is in order when they do try to come for you. So long story short, when I gave him my ID, have 2 IDs. Like I said, y'all, I have one. I can't really show y'all, but I got one. I'm trying to hold my finger over it. This is my old one. It has you see with the airflow? She got it going on with this airflow. I gave him this by mistake. Then I gave him this one. This one has because you guys know we just moved. So this one has a paper with my new address that they tell you, put it on, clip it to your license. So that's what I did. So long story short, he takes my license. I said, sir, I gave you that by mistake and I asked you. I said, when I found out that it was the wrong one, I was like, oh, hold up. He takes it. You can't get that back. I was like, okay, all right, we're gonna see about that because you're not gonna just tell me anything. This is what I'm saying, y'all. When you are faced up against the wall and your back up against the wall with these demons that sit in high places, yeah, I'm gonna say it. So I don't care who on my channel is a cop or anything. Demons in high places. I'm going to give you this. Eye contact. Don't play with me. Because I ain't did nothing to nobody. I don't bother nobody. I ain't did nothing wrong, illegal, or anything. 10. Guys, today, I called, when they pulled me over, I called the station. The guy who answers the phone said, oh, you're the one who just got pulled over. I'm thinking like, yeah. He was like, I got 2 IDs. He was like, and furthermore, I'm black, and I ain't having that. He was like, me and my partner both looked at each other and said, that don't even sound right. This don't even sound right. So come back up to the station. So I went back up there right after I got pulled over. The cop meets me at the thing with some lady. I'm asking her, cop lady, why are you standing here? I came to just pick up my stuff. Why are you here though? Why are you standing here with him? Little short, like, what is your presence here need here? You're not dealing with no thug or no crazy. All that stuff be like, y'all, that stuff be crazy, okay? That's crazy behavior to me. You don't need to be standing there. He got guns in his thing, so you don't need to stand there. Enough of that. So anyway, he didn't give it to me. So I called this morning, talked to the chief. Guess what, y'all? This man calls me back and say, you know what? I understand. He tried to read me some code about the ordinance. I said, baby, I already know the law. That ain't all over America. So sometimes you have to pull you got to research stuff yourself, y'all, to make sure that you can combine what you pulled up to their little stuff. If it's not held in so many states, that stuff don't ride. So even though he's telling me that, why did you give me back my ID today? I just showed y'all. They took it, right? I just told y'all they took this one. I got it back today, just a little while ago. He calls me and says, you know what? You can come up here and get your ID, sign for it, and just don't make a mistake and give it to the officer no more. If that is the law, why did y'all give it back to me? Quit playing with people. Quit playing with people. Don't play with me. Y'all playing with the wrong people. That's why this is my story, y'all. This is a real live story, okay? So this video will be late today, but I'm going to give it to y'all. But that is my story time. Let me know, have this ever happened to you? How did you come out? Did you come out on the good end like I did? One thing about me all my life, my daddy taught me, don't let people tell you no. And I've stuck by that all my life. I'm not playing with nobody. I ain't playing with nobody. Nobody. Y'all, I love y'all. Love yourself so that y'all can love others. So this world will be a beautiful place. That's what's wrong with these people that's sitting up high. They don't love themselves. Ain't no way you got no good paying job and you pulling people over for crazy stuff. And you probably got a wife and a home to go. What? What is going on? Really? Well, guess what? She ain't having that. She ain't having it. She ain't for it. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.